In today's video, I introduce you to create a dynamic order form with Elementor Pro Form and the Dynamic Content plugin for Elementor. Completely changes the way in which products are displayed on your e-commerce store. For example, I will create from scratch a pizza calculator order form for my restaurant website with the reset feature. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. This channel is about creating free WordPress tutorials to help you on your online business. Let me preview what I'm about to make. Calculations are based on user input. The users select one product and then they simulate in real time the amount value for one or two or three pieces prices while they are filling out the form. You can use these on all types of websites. The possibilities are limitless. The amount field adds a new type of field in the form field settings. It uses an amount expression which I share with you that will calculate the total amount. You can mix these dynamic fields with tokens or Elementor shortcodes and static values grouped if you need inside brackets. This feature enables your users to calculate in real time the prices of your service while they are filling out the Elementor Pro form. I do intend to make more tutorials with these great add-on and Elementor Pro, so keep an eye and subscribe to my channel. From my WordPress dashboard, I'm using the free Cadence theme. This is a great lightweight theme. I'm using these four plugins: Dynamic Content for Elementor and the free Elementor and Pro versions and WooCommerce to run my business. Here's my landing page. This is a free starter template for the Cadence from the Cadence team. It has been released recently. It works with Elementor and Gutenberg, and this is perfect for my restaurant website. Add a new page from your page tabs. I call it Pizza Calculator Form. And click on Edit with Elementor. Inside Elementor, I create a new section by clicking on the plus icon. Under the Advanced tab, I enter some top margin. I click on the plus icon to add a new heading widget to this section. Pizza calculator form, center align, and I had some padding. Perfect. Now I want to add my form to the table, so I click on the form widget and I drag into the canvas. You get the standard form fields: name, email, and message. I don't need a message field, so I click on the close button. I name it Pizza Calculator. Now I check from the Advanced tab the default IDs for these two fields. These are the dynamic shortcodes. As you are watching, it has open and close tags, the required field name. Ensure you change the standard numbers to your own logical names to help you identify your fields. I had a new field. The field type is select. The label is select. Now I must provide my three product options. You probably notice I enter the vertical pipe character. This is the filtering feature allowing me to add my prices without showing to my users. I have three pieces. Prices vary by €5. You can check on the canvas how it looks. You select from this drop-down list. Under the Advanced tab, I change my ID to select in lower cases. Now let's add a new item. From the Content tab, I select the type. Now I need a number field type helping me with the math prices. The label is number. The placeholder is a number of pizzas. In the Advanced tab, I enter pieces number. The ID must be unique without spaces. I go back to my number field to limit the values. So in the Content tab, I enter 1 for the minimum value and 3 for maximum value. Add a new item. This time, the type is a radio field, allowing me to ask my user a direct question. The label is size. I paste here my options. If the user picks the normal size, it's free. For the max size, I had a €5 additional fee. Once again, the pipe filtering character does the magic, so to speak. In the Advanced tab, I change to size. Now to execute the math calculation, I need a new field. The type is amount. It's a dynamic content feature. This is the expression that will calculate the total amount. The label is total. I paste the amount expression. Basically, what I'm saying is from left to right, take the select field value, multiply its value to the number of pieces and add that result to the size value. All fields used in the formula must be numbers, integers or floating numbers. Add a new item, I select from the drop-down list the reset button to rest all form values to its initial values. The label is reset, the column with 50%, and I change the ID into reset in lower cases. For the bottom, I change the width to 50% so they sit close together. I want an icon, so from the icon library, I search for shopping bag. The submit text button is buy now. Now, move over to the Style tab. I want to tweak some settings. For typography, I want the audio white font in bold. Oh, it's looking great. I leave here the values I use for my products. The first option is a pizza margherita. It costs 10 euros each. My second one is a Napolitana. It costs 50 euros each. And the last one costs 20 euros each. Great! Let's test this out to check if the values are correct. I select a margherita value, one pizza. The total is 10 euros. And finally, the carbonara option, which costs 20 euros each one. The normal size is 20 euros. And if I go with the maxi size, it's 25 euros. I've decided to make this tutorial to help to inspire you to use this combination of tools to make your own cost calculator form. That's not really too complicated. Let me know later how it goes. I will create more videos about dynamic content using Elementor Pro with dynamic content add-on. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to get notified when I release new content. Thank you so much for watching. I see you very soon in my next video.